Hello everyone, this is a walkthrough to the Epicenter lab part 1. You're going to be calculating the epicenter distance and the earthquake travel time using the earthquake P wave and S wave travel time graph in the Earth Science reference table, which is page 11. So before you do anything, make sure you do your do now. This page is just review to remind you that P and S waves are earthquake waves. The P wave will always be faster and can travel through any material. S waves will be a little bit slower than the P waves, and they cannot travel through liquid. Okay. If we keep moving, this part is very important. You cannot move on if you don't understand how to read P and S wave travel time. So what this graph is showing you is how long and how far do these P and S waves travel. This data is from machines called seismograph that pick up these vibrations when earthquakes happen. So we want to look at these questions will help you understand how to read this. In your lab, these will be answered for you. So you will use these questions as a guide to make sure that you understand this graph. So first thing I want to explain is that at the x-axis right here, you'll notice that it goes by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but notice that this is in kilometers, it's distance, but it's times 10 to the third. So this 1 isn't really 1, it's 1,000. Okay, I'll show you right here. This 2 is actually 2,000. The little boxes that go by here is going to represent 200. So this first box is 1,200. The second is 1,400. 1,000. Yes, it will be 600. And you keep going 1,800 until it goes to 2,000. And that's how the x-axis goes. For the y-axis, it is travel time. It is measured in minutes. So this is 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Every line or every box is going to represent 20 seconds. So this first line is 20 seconds, 40 seconds, then 1 minute. 1 minute and 20, 1 minute and 40, 2 minutes, and it keeps going up from there. If you need to write this in your reference table to remember how to use this, go ahead and do that. The rest of the different examples all have step-by-steps how to complete the questions for that part. So for example 1, you will follow these steps to answer the checking for understanding and for the 3 questions following it. You're going to use the same method. So there's 8 examples in total. Each one has step-by-steps before you answer the questions. So I recommend you read how to complete each question. Each walkthrough has an example. I would do the example first and then see if you get the actual correct answer. If you do, then I would move on and complete the rest of the questions. So let's do the first one. So first thing I would do is read. If you're asked to travel time of P wave or S wave for a given epicenter, you're going to underline the type of wave that they're asking about. Go to the epicenter distance on the x-axis and then go up to the correct curve. Go over to the y-axis and determine travel time. So how long does it take for a P wave to travel 4,000 kilometers? So it looks like they went to 4. Since it's P wave, I'm going to go to the P wave line. I'm going to go up and then I'm going to go across. And the answer would be 7 minutes. I will do the same thing for the rest of the questions. How long will it take for a P wave to travel? 8,000 kilometers. I go to 8,000 kilometers. It's asking about P wave, so I'm going to go to the P wave line, boop, and then go across.